In this module, we will describe twisted pair cabling, understand and explain necessary tools required in UTP cabling, crimp a straight through cable and crimp a crossover cable. Twisted pair cabling is a type of wiring in which two separate insulated wires are put together in a twisted pattern and run parallel to each other. Such cables are widely used in networking, often to avoid electromagnetic interferences from external sources. Such cables are widely used in networking, often to avoid electromagnetic interferences from external sources. Depending on the purpose of the installation, either unshielded twisted pair or shielded twisted pair may be used. The image shows the UTP and STP cable. UTP cable, Category 5 or better. A Category 5 enhanced cable is a twisted pair cable widely used for Ethernet networks. Category 5E cable provides up to 100 MHz speed and can be used for a network of 100 meters length. RJ45 is the most common connector used for Ethernet networking. The register jack is a standardized networking interface which defines the RJ45 connector as an 8-pin or 8-position plug or jack. RJ45 connectors can be wired following two standard wiring schemes, that is EIA or TIA 568A and EIA or TIA 568B. You can see both the schemes on the adjoining image. Cable strippers include both slotted, platinum, round, coax and combo. Full line of cable strippers. Double slotted stripper for 22 or 24 gauge wire insulation. Round cable stripper for a variety of flexible round cable. Coax strippers with 2 or 3 levels. Combo stripper for multiple wire types and applications. Diagonal cutters are often used to cut the cable or trim wire ends. A crimping tool is a device used to conjoin two pieces of metal by deforming one or both of them in a way that causes them to hold each other. The result of the tool's work is called a crimp. A good example of crimping is the process of affixing a connector to the end of a cable. For instance, network cables and phone cables are created using a crimping tool as shown below. To join the RJ45 and RJ11 connectors to the both ends of either phone or C85 cable.
Let us get into groups of 4 to discuss and compare.
The following steps are needed to create a twisted pair cable as detailed below. Strip cable end, untwist wire ends, trim wires, attach RJ45 connector, fix the cable to the connector, label the cable ends and test the cable. As a first step, you need to determine the length of the cable needed for the network connection. Once you have the cable ready, use the cable stripper to strip the insulation coating of the cable. Be careful not to cut too deep as that would damage the wires inside the cable. Next, you need to untwist the wires and arrange them according to the EIA 568B standard. You need to make sure that All the wires are trimmed equally and are about ½ inch exposed. Attach the RJ45 connector to the cable with clip of the connector facing away from the cable. Push the cable to firmly attach the wires to the connector after you verify that the wires are arranged according to the standards of straight-through wiring or crossover wiring. Straight-through wiring is shown in the corresponding image. This type of cable is used for connecting a router to a hub or switch, connecting a computer to a switch. Crossover wiring is shown in the corresponding image. It is used for connecting a computer to a router directly, connecting a computer to a computer directly, connecting a router to a router, connecting a switch to a switch, and connecting a hub to a hub. Use the crimping tool to fix the cable to the connector. This step is irreversible and as such is the most important step. If any error persists to this step, network connection will fail and you have to start over with another RJ45 connector. You need to follow the above steps for the other end of the cable too. Once both ends are attached to the connector, be sure to label each end properly by mentioning relevant information like wiring standard, straight or crossover, department name, and port number, etc. As the final step, test the cable to make sure it works on the network. The image shows the LAN tester to test a network cable.
Check your understanding.